Hey guys, it's Bill Feggins with Bill Feggins Academy. Today I want to show you guys marketing 101 when it comes to table events. This is something we teach at Bill Feggins Academy that just makes sense. You know, this whole setup. We're always worried about leads. Well, the warm leads are the best leads, especially when clients are coming to your table and you can actually pitch them, you know, the products and services that you're offering, you know, and booking these appointments. So first thing, we're working with LCBA, Loyal Christian Benefits Association. Doesn't get better than that than working in the church. So if you know some pastors that want to participate in a homegoing tithing program right here, best advocate will be the pastor to get yourself a table at a church vending day, or you're speaking at a senior day, or maybe it's a breakfast, or maybe even before or after, you know, service. The point is I have a table here of different services. So let's come on over. So look at the tablecloth you guys can get, you know, at LCBA. There's a few different tablecloths. We have one that says Loyal Christian Benefits. This is just a generic version of it, okay? And you guys see that on the table, clients are going to walk up at different churches and they're going to see a lot of these benefits, different flyers, you know, predatory life insurance companies. We're going over a little bit of that. You can see the marketing material, the brochures, and most of the time clients are coming because they see a TV behind here. They want to fill out a TV raffle, which is great. You know, and they got to do something for me so I can pitch to them and talk to them about it. And by the way, the pastor is the one that's constantly saying, hey, get over there and fill out your raffle, participate in the church tithing program, you know, and also I'm going to announce the raffle. So that means everybody at that church event, 50, 60, 70, 100 people are actually going to fill out these leads. So let's go through them. I have a longer survey so I can get some data points here, you know, and we can get a lot of good information here on this lead here. Yes or no, easy answers. Pick up some Medicare data points, final expense, other services as well. Also, we have another company, William Penn, where I can actually give them a $25 a year, $20,000 term of life insurance as well. We have this contract with this carrier as well. So if you have any grandparents or as a client, you have grandkids, yes, $25 money order. Get them a nice policy. I can sell them something else, maybe a Medicare policy or something like that too. Maybe they have an annuity, but 25 bucks to take care of a grandkid. They love that. Of course, we want to participate in our church homegoing tithing program. Doesn't get better than this, guys. I mean, your other Preneed company does not have this. This is exclusively for a church. This is why we are brokers. You know, this whole program of Bill Feggins Academy is because we have the tools, we have the material, we have the training, everything set up for you to collect a bunch of leads. And also, look at the value-added benefits on top of the Preneed. You know, that they're dealing with other benefits as well that come with every policy and no additional costs. By the way, for our Preneed for LCBA, the contracts are way higher than your 15, 22% that you might be getting somewhere else. And by the way, the premiums for this product is way lower. So what's happening is that this is a different concept that you guys need to do. And by the way, I've been writing up so much, you know, life insurance throughout my 20-year, you know, going on career. You see the office, we have trainings inside our office as well all the time for agents. This is a working, you know, office for agents come in for workshops and they can jump on the computers. But you guys see all the awards that we have around. I wrote $1 million, $500,000 a year in business. You know, we have other awards down here as well. You see the carriers are giving me awards for personal production. You know, we have a lot of awards over here as well. You know, up on top, you know, other awards too. We teach our, you know, I have other awards up here as well, guys. So awards is not the problem. It's the proof of concept that this works, okay? And you don't have to sign any NDAs or anything like that. If you're going to make $20,000 here and you have a contract with LCBA and it's, you know, 30% or something like that because you know how to write Preneed. If you write $1 million in you know, coverage for clients, you're making $300,000. And plus you're in a lead program already. So every $3,000 of death benefits you write is $100 credit. You can use it towards Cody asking leads, Facebook leads. You can use it towards lead concepts, direct mail, or other Facebook leads. So you're based on your production, based on, let's go back in here, based on the marketing strategy that you guys are doing with table events, we can get you inside churches, or you're already inside churches with a no-brainer. This is a no-brainer. The pastor is blessing this. Everybody's happy. I'm booking appointments on the spot with the clients. Hey, Ms. Jones, is a church signing program. Let's take a look. We do free life insurance evaluations to take a look at your life insurance, make sure it's not predatory, you bought it over the phone or ends at age 80. We also work with multiple funeral homes here at this church that the church works with. We have them in our network. Okay, so we know the pricing of that. They may have gave special pricing, for them. We also can put you on the church's plaque. The church has a plaque for members who participate in this program, so you can leave something back. On the lead card itself, it says a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. Why would the client not fill this out? This is a lead card. They're going to fill these out all day. Best date and time to call, Mrs. Jones. Loyal Christian. I'm at a church. The name of the insurance company is, 2 plus 2 is 4. It's going to stay 4. It says common sense. This will work. So I'm going to show you guys so many demonstrations at churches, and we're going to pull up on clients, and we're going to ask some questions, okay? They're going to fill out the lead card. I'm going to get some more data from them. We're going to cross-sell everything. With the raffle tickets, I also got their name and information on there. Churches, is doing it. I could be at one church and write 100 people and be there for a minute, because this right here, all of them are going to be filled out in 2 hours. 2-3 hours, a bunch of people, a bunch of vending tables. Okay, so this is the mindset of a marketer. My education is in marketing, so I understand the concept of the psychology of most clients. They just want free stuff. And you guys did Medicare tables. Don't they just want to take the bags or the cups? Okay, they're not taking anything here. They're inquiring. Oh, TV. Oh, great. What's this about? Because that's the first thing they ask me all the time. What's this about? And bang, I could get my 30-second elevator pitch about what was going on, and educate them. Final expense, or what you heard is burial insurance, is for legacy. Preneed is to pay the funeral off right away, a service. You don't have any fights, anything like that. You may have some fights, but you're not going to have fights about what you wanted or a service you want. Then we also can protect them with a will, living will, power of attorney. And if they own a home, we also have some trust, that we could put together too. We have another company doing that. So isn't that a win-win? Isn't that leaving an inheritance for your children's children? Isn't that the best marketing concept? Does this cost me anything? No. Did I have to pay for a table? Sometimes churches, you want to leave a love donation or something, but I'm setting up a celebrant service at that church for their members. The pastor's blessing it. He's giving his blessing on the table. Okay. He's sharing everything here. It's called Loyal Christian. And by the way, I have my pastors talk to the VPs at Loyal Christian to talk about the program. Doesn't get better than that, because you guys can't talk to your executives at the other Preneed companies. I can. We can. So guys, I'm going to shoot some more YouTube videos about the competitive advantages of working with LCBA against the competitors. Again, higher commissions, lower premiums, way lower. I'm talking about $50. Let's do an example right now. You put on your quote two of your competitor, 65-year-old. I don't care if it's a plan as a return of premium, because it's not a return of premium back to the client, by the way. And the first 5 years you have coverage, the other 5 years is a savings account. What's the difference? If it's $174 for a 65-year-old for $10,000, and I could do $130, they save $50, $60, which is about $7 grand in 10 years. If it's $60, they can put that money away or towards something else. And we still froze and locked in a price at the funeral home that's connected to the church. And I made a higher commission off of that deal than the competitor. That's a win-win. And by the way, because the pastor is endorsing this program, and because the pastors let me talk to other funeral directors they work with, it's a win-win. So now we lock in with a cost of goods and services. We lock in that funeral home with the church and with the client. Now it stays on the books. Now our persistency is high. See how this works? And I'm also able to sell them other Medicare products. I'm able to sell them other things. I'm able to do annuities. I'm able to talk to their kids. I'm able to talk to everybody, because I may be doing an executor of the estate or a last will and testament for them, and I got to talk about that child that's going to inherit it. They can't train you on this. They don't have the charisma. They don't have the training. They have anything in this. But at Bill Feggins Academy, you guys will learn here. And this right here, we have agents. You don't have to sign no NDA. $20,000. We don't brag about how much they get in a month. If they fill out these lead cards, and I have 30 leads at a church, 40 leads, how much Preneed do you think I can sell that month? 100,000, 10,000 here, 7,000 here, traditional here, another 15,000 here, another. Just think of every one, right? 100,000, you had 30%. You made 30 grand. At a church, you ain't pay $1. All you did was buy a TV. Really? And based off that 100,000, take that that production money, that's lead credits, and put it towards more Facebook leads. Bang. There you go. There's your value proposition right there. Just right there. Higher contracts, lower premiums, better value-added benefits, table events, church, common sense that it's loyal Christian at a church. It doesn't, it just doesn't get any better than that. So I'm going to say, listen, YouTube, I appreciate that, guys, going on my rant. You know, I love it, you know, because I'm here trying to help the people in my community, you know, and service them and re-educate them on burial insurance, because life insurance, again, is for legacy. Preneed is for burial. Let's connect the two, the churches, and leave a great inheritance for our children's children. Let's do God's word. We can do the right word, you know, and be successful at the same time. And if you are a broker, you're with competitors, why you can't do both? You're not captive, right? Or maybe you are. But I'm just going to leave that out there. So get back to me, BillFegginsAcademy@gmail.com. Take a look for some other videos, because when we put this thing on this whiteboard and we break down the commission structure and we break down the value opportunity, it's going to blow you away. Stay tuned.